Dollar Tree just restocked. Not the sad shelf of picked-over leftovers you usually see on a Tuesday afternoon. I am talking about fresh inventory, brand new items that have not been sitting there for months. And buried among the party supplies and the cleaning products are garden finds, so good that experienced gardeners are clearing the shelves before noon. The kind of items that make you stop in the aisle and say out loud, "There is no way this is only $1.25. Because once word gets out, these deals vanish. They do not come back. So the question is not whether they are worth grabbing. The question is whether you will get there before someone else figures it out first. Welcome to Timeless Gardening. Today we are uncovering 10 new Dollar Tree items that will save you serious money on everything from seed starting to growing vegetables and flowers on a budget this spring and summer. Hit the subscribe button because these deals do not last, and this channel is how you stay ahead of the crowd. Let us get into it. Item number 1. Solar Mason Jar Lids. These are small discrete lids with a built-in solar panel that screw directly onto any standard mason jar. During the day the panel charges in the sun. At dusk the lid automatically lights up, turning an ordinary jar into a glowing garden lantern. String a row of them along your patio, or hang them from shepherd's hooks throughout your backyard flower beds. The light is soft and warm, perfect for evening harvests or summer dinners outside when the sun has gone down but you are not ready to go inside. Unlike the solar stake lights that everyone grabs, these lids let you create hanging lanterns at any height using jars you already have at home. You can use pint jars, quart jars, even large half-gallon jars depending on how much light you want. They cost $1.25 each and produce hours of light without any wiring or batteries to replace. For the price of one expensive landscape light, you can illuminate your entire garden. This is one of those DIY hacks that looks far more expensive than it actually is. Group a cluster of them over your seating area, and your patio will feel like a restaurant terrace. You can also fill the jars with decorative stones or glass gems to add sparkle and color during the daytime hours. The best part is that they require zero wiring and zero electricity, so you can place them anywhere the sun reaches without worrying about extension cords or outlets. They turn on automatically at dusk and turn off at dawn, so you never have to remember to switch them on. Item number 2. Coconut Cored Soil Discs. These small compressed discs are made from natural coconut fiber. When you add water, they expand into a surprising amount of fluffy moisture-retentive growing medium. They are perfect for seed starting. Just place a disc in a container, pour warm water over it, and watch it puff up into soil in seconds. Unlike peat-based mixes, coconut coir is renewable and resists compaction. It holds water beautifully while still draining well, which is exactly what delicate seedlings need to develop strong roots that will support them through transplanting. A single package contains several discs and costs $1.25. Compare that to seed starting mixes at garden centers that run $8 to $15 a bag. If you are starting vegetables, herbs or flowers from seed this spring, stock up on these now. They are one of the best budget items in the store. You can also mix the expanded core with perlite for an even better seed starting blend that gives your seedlings the perfect balance of moisture and oxygen. Store the unused discs in a dry place and they will last for years without degrading or attracting pests. One package can start dozens of plants, making it one of the most cost-effective seed starting solutions available anywhere. Item number 3. Wire Waste Baskets. These are the simple mesh baskets in the office section meant to hold trash under a desk. A gardener sees an underground fortress. Dig a hole slightly deeper than usual. Drop the basket in, fill it with soil, and plant your bulbs or perennial roots inside. The mesh allows roots to grow through and water to drain freely, but it stops voles, gophers and tunneling rodents from reaching the crown of your plant. Turn the basket upside down and place it over a young seedling for an instant pest barrier that lets in light and air while keeping rabbits and squirrels out. These baskets cost $1.25 each. A comparable root guard at a garden center runs $15 to $20. This is one of those garden tricks that experienced gardeners have been using for years while everyone else pays full price. You can also spray paint the baskets in a dark color before burying them to help them blend into the soil and last even longer underground. For container plants, place a basket inside the pot before filling it with soil to create a root ball that stays contained and protected. It is like giving your plants a suit of armor that lives beneath the soil and works silently all season long. Item number 4. Heavy-duty aluminum foil. This is in the kitchen section, and it is one of the most versatile garden items in the entire store. Wrap a strip of foil around the base of tomato and pepper plants to create a shiny barrier that reflects light up onto the lower leaves and deters cutworms and crawling pests. Place a sheet of foil behind your indoor seed starting trays to bounce light back onto your seedlings, making them grow stockier instead of leggy. Wrap it loosely around developing fruit to protect it from birds and intense sun scald during heat waves. A roll costs $1.25 and lasts an entire season. This is a cheap, clever DIY solution that most people never think to use in the garden. You can also crumple foil into loose balls and place them around the base of plants to deter cats from using your garden beds as a litter box. The reflective surface confuses and discourages them. For an even more effective pest deterrent, mix strips of foil with your mulch to create a shimmering barrier that many insects avoid. The light bouncing off the foil also helps to confuse aphids and whiteflies, reducing the chance of infestation before it even starts. Item number 5. Plastic shower caps. These are in the personal care section, and they solve multiple garden problems in seconds. Slip one over a pot of freshly sown seeds to create an instant humidity dome that traps moisture and warmth for faster germination. Stretch one over a ripening tomato or a cluster of berries to protect them from birds and squirrels. On a cold spring night, cover small container plants with a shower cap to protect them from an unexpected frost that would otherwise wipe out your early plantings. They are lightweight, elastic, and cost $1.25 for a pack of several. This is the kind of simple, effective tip that makes you wonder why you never thought of it before. The elastic edge creates a snug seal around pots of different sizes, and the clear plastic lets sunlight through while holding in heat. You can reuse them multiple times before they lose their stretch. Keep a few in your garden shed and you will always have an emergency frost cover ready. They take up almost no space and weigh nothing, so there is no reason not to have them on hand when the weather forecast surprises you. Now, if you have ever walked into a Dollar Tree and headed straight for the garden section without even glancing at the other aisles, you have been missing the real deals. Tell me in the comments which of these first 5 items surprised you the most. Item number 6. Rubber bands. A large pack of rubber bands costs $1.25 in the office section, and it belongs in every gardener's toolkit. Use them for grafting branches onto fruit trees. Stretch them around plant stems and stakes for soft, flexible ties that expand as the plant grows. Bundle your harvested herbs and flowers with rubber bands before hanging them to dry. Secure row covers and frost blankets over garden beds on windy days. They are reusable, gentle on plants, and far more versatile than the plastic plant ties sold at garden centers. Keep a pack in your garden bucket and you will find yourself reaching for them constantly. The best part is that rubber bands degrade naturally over time, so if you forget one on a plant, it will not girdle the stem the way wire or plastic ties will. You can also use them to mark plant stems for identification by wrapping different colored bands around different varieties. It is a labeling system that costs almost nothing and works better than plastic tags that fade in the sun and eventually become brittle and break. Item number 7. Paper lunch bags. These are in the food storage section, and they solve a problem every tomato grower faces at the end of the season. When frost threatens and you still have green tomatoes on the vine, pick them and place them in a paper bag with a ripe banana or apple. The ethylene gas released by the ripe fruit speeds up ripening, and the paper bag traps the gas while allowing moisture to escape so the tomatoes do not rot. You can also use paper bags to store harvested garlic and onions through winter. The paper breathes, preventing mold. They cost almost nothing and make a real difference in your harvest. You can also use them to collect and dry flower seeds at the end of the season. Place seed heads inside, fold the top and hang them in a dry place. The paper wicks away moisture and prevents the seeds from molding before you are ready to plant them next spring. A single pack of lunch bags can process your entire harvest and costs less than a single produce bag at the grocery store. Item number 8. Petroleum Jelly. This is in the health and beauty section, and it is one of the oldest pest control tricks in the book. Ants, aphids, and climbing insects cannot cross a sticky barrier. Apply a thin ring of petroleum jelly around the base of plant stems, the rims of pots, and the legs of patio furniture to keep crawling pests from reaching your plants and your seating area. It is non-toxic, safe around pets and children, and a single tub lasts for months. This is a cheap, effective pest deterrent that costs a fraction of what garden-specific sticky traps cost. Your vegetables and flowers will thank you. Reapply after heavy rain, as water can wash away the barrier. A fresh ring takes seconds to apply and lasts for days. You can also mix a small amount of petroleum jelly with crushed eggshells to create a gritty paste that slugs and snails will not crawl over. It is a double defense that costs pennies and uses items you probably already have in your kitchen. Item number 9. Sidewalk Chalk. This is in the toy section, and it doubles as a surprisingly effective garden tool. Chalk is made of calcium carbonate, which creates an alkaline barrier that ants and slugs actively avoid. Draw a thick line of chalk around the base of your containers, along the edges of raised beds or across ant trails. The pests will not cross it. After rain, simply redraw the line. A pack of chalk costs $1.25 and can protect your entire container garden for a full season. You can also crush chalk into a powder and sprinkle it lightly on plant leaves to deter certain beetles and mites without using chemical sprays. The fine powder clogs the breathing pores of soft-bodied pests and they will move on to easier feeding grounds. It washes off with the next rain, so there is no long-term residue on your vegetables. You can eat your harvest the same day you apply it. Item number 10. Cotton rope. This is in the hardware or craft section, and it is one of the most useful garden items you can buy for pocket change. Cotton rope is a natural fiber that wicks water beautifully. Place one end of a length of rope in a bucket of water, and bury the other end in the soil of a container plant. The rope will slowly draw water from the bucket into the soil, creating a self-watering system that keeps your plants hydrated for days. Use cotton rope as a climbing support for peas, beans, and flowering vines. Unlike synthetic ropes, it is fully biodegradable and will not leave microplastics in your soil. A single roll costs $1.25 and gives you season after season of use. You can also braid multiple strands together for a thicker, stronger support that still looks natural in the garden. For an even more effective wicking system, soak the rope in water before installing it to start the capillary action immediately. Once the water begins flowing, the rope will keep drawing moisture as long as the bucket has water in it. This is perfect for when you go on vacation and cannot water your containers daily. There you have it, 10 items you now know to look for, but here is what I hope you remember the next time you walk into that store. Every aisle is a garden aisle if you know what you are looking at. The woman clearing the shelves before noon. The one with the cart full of things that do not say garden on the label. She is not lucky. She is not cheating. She just stopped seeing the store the way the store wants to be seen. You can do the same thing. I want to hear from you. Which of these 10 are you hunting down on your next trip? Tell me in the comments. If you want more finds that keep your garden thriving and your wallet intact, subscribe to Timeless Gardening. Until next time, happy hunting. The shelves are stocked for now.